chilling at Walgreens, and currently I just bought this $10 Google Play gift card so I could go and what am I gonna do? Gaming videos, so go check out my gaming video. It's gonna be pretty lit. I think I can unlock the car. Those are in left. Not very smart. I just unlocked it and didn't even know, but yeah. I will see you guys in one quick second. I might go to McDonald's. I don't know. Probably not though. I don't know. See you guys in one quick second. Ready, Wumbo? Go. Go. I didn't do anything. Yeah, so I've been doing this for the past few days. Like, just go down to the beach or I'll film all of it. And I'm back after 2 days, so not uploading and not filming. I have been filming, just on my gaming channel. Go check that out. There's no cars. Oh, crap. Oh, God. Dude, I'm going so fast. Alrighty. Alright, no! Let him go! Boop. Nice, it's right there. Grab this and nobody comes up and takes it. Yeah. Go. Wait, I'm gonna come. I have to take the leash off. It's not waterproof. It's a light up leash, so. Yeah. Cool. There's a duck hunting thing over there. Yeah, anyways. Whoa, water rose a lot last night. It also rained a lot last night, so that probably explains why. So, give me your leash. Go find a stick. Go find a stick. There, I'll show you what he does. 1 second. Want your stick? Towards the water. You can't really see it. It's very murky. See? Where's your stick? It's not a very good light today because it's very wavy. He's gonna find it. No, he's not. Wumbo, it's right there. Here's another stick, I guess. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ugh. Where's your stick? Did you drop it? Shake. Wumbo, shake. 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 Wumbo. Good boy. Oh, there's a dead fish right there. 3, 2, 1. See you guys in one quick second when I get back to the house. Illustration the wrong way, but I'm back. I've been working so hard on my gaming channel right now. Like, I'm trying to get that up to shape, and yeah, this channel I think it's pretty good. I don't know. I might change some stuff. I don't know yet, but yeah, I'm doing some work tonight, or might not work, but I got this, my favorite drink. Send me this as usual. Just can't even see it. It's Rioja root beer. R-I-O-G-A. Rioja. Rioja. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, go check out my gaming channel. Go subscribe there because I'm pumping out 2 new videos a day. That's what. I don't know what that looks like. That probably hurts your eyes. Warning. Oh, dude, that screwed up my camera. I'll be right back. Wait, no, that's just my screen. I could see my keyboard through my screen. What the heck? I could see Snapchat, and it says 1 o'clock. Dude, I didn't do anything to my camera. Thank God. I'm watching Chick Girl, by the way. Dude, I could see my keyboard. Like, that's weird. And I can see my Snapchats. Oh yeah, go follow me on Snapchat. It should. Nah, I don't know. If I pop it up on screen like right here, it's probably not gonna be there. But it's Fake Ninjas 91. Probably gonna go edit that name too. I haven't done the stuff to do tonight. It's already 7 o'clock. I'm probably gonna be up till at least 1, maybe doing stuff. Anyways, I will see you guys in one quick second. Actually, I'm gonna end the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe, share for more awesome content. Chronix out. Go subscribe to my gaming channel.